Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Giving Tree box. This is a monthly subscription, but you can also choose to have a seasonal box. And you do fill out a profile, so each box is personalized for you. And it includes a wide range of products. It could be personal care, candles, snacks, books, jewelry, anything. And what I do like is they give 10% back to charity, which is awesome. So I'm excited to see what's inside here. Ooh, see some pumpkin stuff. White pumpkin scented candle. Go ahead and open that and take a whiff. So it smells really, really good, and there are dried marigold flowers inside the wax, which is pretty cool. So that's one of the items. Pumpkin patch, little sticker, that's cute. Also have coffee butter lip balm, which says it's vegan. I bet that smells really good too. Ooh. I like that it sticks up so you don't have to like rub your finger in it like some of the lip balms. That's awesome. Oh, I've always wanted to try one of these. I've never had one. So it's a corn on the cob, but it's dried. And it has like a little bag. I think you just put it in there and then put it in your microwave and it pops the popcorn. So awesome. I have seen those before, never tried it, so that's super exciting. Pops right off the cob. Kids are gonna love that because they love popcorn. Ooh, chocolate chipmunk cookie. 1 gram of sugar, 2 net carbs, gluten-free, and it's vegan. That looks good. You can see it a little bit through there. Very cool. Only 180 calories. Yum. I love when food is included in boxes. So here's some more. We have Jessica's gluten-free granola. This again is chocolate chip. Very nice. Next, pure sugar candy. That's cool. Like little blocks. Creamsicle candy cubes. That sounds fun. Never seen candy like that, so looks like there's 2 of each color in there. And creamsicle is delicious. Also have Brix Bites, which is some milk chocolate. Got lots of food. Next up we have Simply Spa Espresso Shake and Go Face Mask infused with chocolate and coffee. That's pretty unique. Just add some water to the bag, seal it, shake it, and apply. Leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse with warm water to remove the mask. You can see it's just a powder in there. That's fun. Then we have Simply Spa Pumpkin Pie Body Scrub. Bet that smells amazing. Love body scrub. And yeah, smells exactly like pumpkin spice. Cool. Some more chocolates. Oh, okay, that one's medium dark and extra dark. I didn't pay attention. The first one was just milk chocolate. So a variety of chocolates. Giving Tree box magnet. That's super cute. Oh, that's probably for the scrub. That's probably why the seal was broken. It's probably tucked in there or taped on top. Love that idea. So you don't have to get it under your nails because that always happens to me. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, I love this. Glitter leaf magnet. That's fun to me. Definitely gonna put that on the fridge. I like that this is a fall themed box. It's super cute. Then there's some stuff at the bottom. The treasure chest. Natural cleaning products. You get 10% off. Handmade with resin. That must be the magnet, I would assume. Hopefully. So they have an Etsy shop where you can purchase stuff Follow them on Instagram and on Facebook at Glass Fairies. Very nice. I did read that they do promote like small businesses too, which is cool. And then this is an adult coloring page, Countryside. Oh, that's fun. I'm totally gonna do that. We were coloring earlier with the kids. This is gonna take me forever, but I love this. This is a really cool box. I really, really, really like it. Love that there was a variety. I love that I got sent food. And of course, you guys know I love candles. So yeah, if you guys would like to subscribe or read more about them, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.